Design, code, test, visualize, analyze. These students did it all over the course of 2 weeks at WKU's Python coding camp. Computer coding is like speaking another language.
It can get kind of confusing real fast if you don't have any kind of background.
For this camp, the coding language is called Python. Yes, the name is derived from the British comedy group Monty Python.
It's a ton more user-friendly. The kids don't have to worry about data types as much.
16 students from 7th to 11th grades spent 2 weeks digging into Python at WKU's first ever coding camp.
I like coding. It's something I enjoy.
The youngest camper is 11-year-old Cypher Appling. He plans to develop an app to help strings players and one day hopes to open his own business.
You know how like Microsoft or Hasbro, how they've started businesses with apps? That's what I want to do.
New Ogden College Dean David Brown shared with the students that he too was interested in computers when he was their age.
I see a lot of faces out there that look like my face when I was that age. It's young and enthusiastic.
Grad student Justin Mills taught the class. He says this kind of continuing education is a must in computer science.
It is not the type of job that you can just go to school and then you never have to learn anything else again. Like, you have to constantly keep up with new trends.
I see them going places with this.
During the camp, the students had a session on computer science careers and heard a presentation from WKU's School of Engineering and Applied Sciences. With this week's View from the Hill, I'm Amy Bingham.